Hi, I'm John Rose, the developer of the latest version of FlexMonkey. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the grid verify uh, command to check values within a data grid. So let's drag in a suite so I have somewhere to put our verify, our grid verify, and then I'm going to drag that over. And then in our actual application, we're going to actually want to pick the data grid. So we don't want the columns, and we don't, we want the actual data grid component. And we can tell he's a data grid. Actually, looks like we might be getting the group. So let's move around there. And now we're seeing that the automation name Twitter data grid, class name data grid, which may have actually been what we were seeing before. I think I was looking at the parent, but this helps, the little pop-up roller helps you identify those different components. So let's select that guy. He defaults to 0 and 0, so it's 0 base. So grid row 0 and column 0 is going to give us this first column. Just for fun, let's change him to row 1. So that'll give us the second value down. And let's put in hello world, just for fun. We'll see him fail first before we make him succeed. And you see that the error message is that he didn't find the cell value. So that's because we have no data. So let's do a search. Let's search for flex. And now let's run that, and we should get this rusk value. So now we're actually getting a different error message. So that expected value didn't match what was returned, which was rusk. So let's take that rusk value. Let's click on the pencil to edit, and let's make that rusk. And now let's click, let's actually play him again. And now he actually succeeds because those values match. If I were to run him again, it's Twitter, so we should get different data. And yeah, we do. Now I'm going to play him, and it's going to tell me that it's not Emily Martin. So that's kind of the deal on how you use a grid verify. If you have dynamic data coming back, you can watch the store value command on how you can do that without an enter value. I hope that helps you understand how to use the grid verify command of FlexMonkey.